Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back to Smith RC Studios. My name is Lewis Smith. If you're new here, thank you for tuning in. Thank you very much. Happy Father's Day, guys. It's a Sunday. Today is kind of a short video, but I wanted to show you guys this dirt lot back here. I'm going to rip the Kraken VEKTA.5 on. It's not just any dirt lot. It's basically our lot. So we bought this piece of land and they're going to build a house here pretty soon. Actually, next week, construction starts. And we're very excited as a family. So I just came to check it out before they start the construction. It's a whole bunch of dirt, so hopefully if we don't get kicked out, or if I don't get kicked out, I will rip the VEKTA here. But yeah, let me show you guys. It's really nice, really big. We can fit a pool back there, and no RC track, but a pool for sure. And yeah, let me show you guys real quick. All right, so here's my piece of land right here. As you can see there, they're building houses over there, so those are in construction. That one that you see right there out in the distance is a house that's already built, and then you see all these little sticks right here. So that separates all the different lots. So this one here marks our lot. So that's lot number 6 that we are really excited about as a family. This would be an adventure for us. The next 8 months will basically consist of coming out here, making sure that everything that we picked out is going as planned. So yeah, so this is our lot, and as you can see, it goes way back there. So we got a pretty good sized lot, so we'll get a pool and all that stuff once the time comes. But for now, it's just a whole bunch of dirt here. Okay, those houses back there are already built. People are already living in those ones. And this will be our street. So yeah, good times, guys. So I decided to come out here, and maybe if I don't get kicked out, I will rip the VEKTA here on my land. See, it's a bunch of dirt here so far. So this would be basically our backyard right here. And it ends here. And we got all these trees here that we can, maybe it'll block, it'll give us some shade maybe during the afternoon. So yeah. So it'll end over here. And then from here it goes straight on to the other stick over there. All right, let's go get the VEKTA out of the car and get it ripping. that was fun. Probably the last time I can actually run my truck in this dirt before the house starts to get built, so had a little fun. Alright guys, as you can see, it's pretty hot out here. This is Texas. But anyway, I just want to show you guys the new lot. Smith RC Studios will now be here, well, in 8 months when the house is finally built. I'll take you guys, if you guys are interested, I'll take you guys along, maybe on a monthly basis. I'll show you the progress of this house. We're really excited about it. But anyway, happy Father's Day. Thank you for tuning in. Smith RC Studios. Till next time. Cheers.